Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Photon Microlight 2. And this is a nifty little keychain light. And let's see. It has a 10-year guarantee for European markets, which doesn't sound so hot. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. So it says it's visible to approximately 30 feet. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so let's take a look here. It is super light at 7 grams, 18-hour runtime, 4.5 lumens, replaceable batteries, and IPX4 rated, which I'm guessing has to do with being splashed with water based upon the graphic. Anyway, let's take a look at this thing. Alright. Okay, so let's see. First of all, it does look pretty bright. Does it do anything interesting? I don't think this one has any like blinking SOS stuff or anything like that. I think there is a version of this that does, but this one is not that. Virtually indestructible case, on-off switch. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. One cool thing, I guess, is you can get them in a bunch of different light colors. Different beam colors. If you want an infrared, you only use with night vision equipment. You can get ultraviolet, so you get a black light effect. And you get a bunch of other colors. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So it's basically a little keychain flashlight, and it's it is very light, and it's pretty bright considering how teeny it is. And you have a little switch right here, where if you flip the switch, it'll stay on and you don't have to squeeze it. This little switch right there, and then just flip it off, like so. So you can squeeze it to turn it on, or you can flip the switch to turn it on. Like so. It's not a bad little light. And they're pretty inexpensive. They're definitely under $10. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. I think the main thing though is the 7 grams part of it. I don't know if it would replace one of the AAA battery flashlights, in my opinion, of like as a keychain light. But if you're looking for a keychain light to give someone that doesn't want to mess with anything and just wants to maybe have you want someone to have a light, but you don't want it to be a big burden or even really be noticeable, I mean, this kind of fits that bill, and it is not, I mean, the weight from it is negligible. You'd hardly even notice it. Anyway, it's kind of a simple little light, and you're supposed to be able to replace the batteries, but I suspect, if you look right here, you see there's 4 screws on the back. I suspect replacing the batteries is not super easy. But the upside is it's very inexpensive, and, you know, it's one of those things like, I don't think, unless for some crazy reason this switch gets flipped like in your pocket, and it doesn't seem like it would accidentally get flipped. It's pretty recessed down under this little bump right here. So I think it would be hard to accidentally get flipped. Because I mean, like, you have to actually get your fingernail in there to flip it. So I think that actually all this, I guess something could be sitting on it and it could get pressed like that. But I'd imagine it wouldn't necessarily get turned on in your pocket or on your keys that much. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Have y'all tried this? Do you like it? Do you hate it? You think it's weird? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And also, you can check us out on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.